And medium is always subjective, right? I only use soil. I recommend only soil, mainly because I find personally it's a better flavor profile behind it. It's probably one of the least expensive mediums versus getting into koyas and all that. And it's less labor intensive. So at the end of the day, for me, and more readily available. So for us, it was no brainer to go that way. But I look at everything I do and every business decision I do is I ask, is it long term, is it sustainable, is it scalable? Okay. And maybe I'm wrong, but I have not seen any farm that's doing 1,000 trays plus a week doing koya, doing hemp. They are doing, I've seen, the aquaponic or hydroponic style for sure, but any other actual physical medium, no one's doing anything but soil. Now, koya is part of it, right? But again,
Hmm.
I look at everything. So I want to be at that level. We're about halfway there. We're still using soil. We pay about 40 cents a tray. So for me, it's worthwhile and zero labor behind it. So I don't have to wet bricks. I don't have to do this. So for me, I try to find something sustainable. For us, it was soil. We use basically just like a professional growing mix. They don't need to be expensive. Ours are about $28 a bale. The bales are the 3.8 cubic foot bales. You can
Okay.
probably get from most gardening centers, but again, the key is to try to find something sustainable and local because shipping is pretty pricey if you have to
Yeah.
bring it in. Now,
Yeah.
with you guys having land, it might be worth looking at getting a skid, tarping it, going through as you need to kind of thing. But most of these are pretty professionally wrapped. So you're not going to get, stuff burrowing into it or coming in there. You're not going to get a bunch of excess sticks and rocks in the soil, but they're just predominantly a high-end propagation mix or a soil mix. So really they're just there to as a medium because your seed's going to be pulling, or excuse me, your microgreens are going to be pulling from the seed. So you don't need to get these high density, high nutrient based soils that cost an arm and a leg. Just get something that can grow in. So for me, that's kind of how we did it. But that it does require a little R&D to try to find somebody that can sustain that. But ask for wholesale pricing. Always do this. Hey, we're a commercial farm. We're looking for wholesale pricing for this type of soil. What do you recommend? Or what do you have?